Hey guys, welcome to the part 2 of 10 cool things that you can do with Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So let's go ahead and take a look at these awesome features. Now the first thing that I want to mention here is the ability to create GIFs on your phone. So go in gallery and then select bunch of photos, tap on the menu icon and then tap on create new. Now here you will be given three options: movie, GIF and collage. Select GIF and your GIF is formed. Now you can also change the frames, you can remove them or add more. You can change the aspect ratio, change the speed, change the direction of the GIF and add more stuff to it. So you can draw on it, you can add stickers to it if you want, resize them, rotate them, and then you can even add labels to it as well. So just write anything in here and then put it in, press OK, and you have a really cool GIF with all these decorations. Now moving on to the next feature, we have this awesome display on this phone which has 2K resolution, and you can change the way this display looks. So you can go in settings, go in display, and then go in screen mode. Now by default it's set to adaptive display. Now this is a really cool look. It's a bluish tinge to the display, and if you select AMOLED Cinema, this gives it a warmer look, a reddish hue, and AMOLED Photo actually sits somewhere between these two modes, and then you have the option to go basic. Now if you go for adaptive display, you can actually change the warmth and the coolness of the display from here. So you have that, and if you turn on the advanced options, you can change the red, green and blues of your display as well. Now moving on to the next feature, you can also change the resolution of the display. So if you go in settings, go in display and go in screen resolution, you will see that by default it's set to full HD plus, but you can go to HD plus as well, which is 720p, and go to WQHD plus, which is 2K resolution, which is the highest resolution that this display supports. So if you want absolute best viewing experience, absolute best display settings, you can set it to WQHD plus, press apply, and it will launch that. Next up, you can also change the home screen layout. So right now you can see that I've got home screens, and then I have also got an app drawer. So you can change that. So for that you need to go in settings, go in display, and here go in home screen, and then go in home screen layout. So you can go for home and app screen or home screen only. So if I apply that and go back, there will be no app drawer. Instead it will take you to the phone search, and you will have all your apps on the home screens. Next up, you can also use the display on this phone in one-handed mode. So for example, if I am in settings and this display is too big for my hands, I can launch the one-handed mode. So how you can do that is by simply swiping up from the bottom right or left corners. So like this, it will decrease the screen size, and obviously I can change the screen size to my liking. I can also launch it from the left side and tap this button to shift it to the right or left. Now if I go in settings here, I can also launch this feature by a button. So if I tap the home button 3 times, it will launch the home screen mode. Now moving on to the next feature, you can use this fingerprint scanner to pull down the notification panel. So if I swipe down on it, it will pull down the notification panel, and if I swipe up, it will remove it. So it's pretty easy. Since the display is really tall, it's difficult to reach the top of the display. So to turn this feature on, you need to go in settings and go in advanced features, and here turn on finger sensor gesture, which is turned off by default. If you turn this on, you will be able to use your fingerprint scanner. Now the next feature that I want to talk about is called dual messenger. So if you go in settings, go in advanced features and go all the way down, you will see this dual messenger option. So this basically allows you to use 2 copies of WhatsApp or Facebook or any other app that supports this feature will show up here. So you can simply go ahead and turn on these apps, and the second copy will be installed, which you can use with a different account. Now if you really like to watch movies on your phone, you can turn on video enhancer features. So for that you need to go in settings, go in advanced features, and here go in video enhancer, and here all the apps that supports this feature will show up here. So if you're watching videos in any of these apps, you will be able to take advantage of this feature. So basically it enhances the image quality of the videos to more brighter and vivid colors. So you can simply turn it on and see the difference between the colors right here. So it actually gives it a more brighter and saturated look and improves the quality of the video. Moving on, we also have a fully featured theme engine built into this software, so you can go in settings and then go in wallpaper and themes, and here you will be able to download these wallpapers. You can download themes here. These are system-wide themes, changes the way your settings look, your dialer look, your messages look, your notification panel look. If you want to take a peek as to what will change, simply go in here and you will be able to see how your phone will look like. Give it a minute to load. So there we go. You can also download icon packs and also several other always on displays which are really cool. So you can go for featured, top and new. There are some really cool always on displays here that you can use for your always on display on the phone. Now the last feature that I want to talk about is secure folders. So this is a secure space on your phone where you can keep your private files. So first you need to go in settings, go in lock screen and security, and here you need to turn on secure folder. So there you have it. Once you have turned it on, you will get secure folder in the app drawer. So there you go, you can enter it, and there you can add your apps here. You can keep your photos and videos in the gallery. You can have your separate calendar, contacts, cameras, and you can even add any other app that you want. You can download more apps from the Play Store and from the Galaxy App Store directly into the secure folder. Now it is very important to know that the apps that are present in the secure folder are separate apps from the ones that are present outside the secure folder, so you can use them with completely separate accounts and their storage will be different, separated, private, secured, and no one will be able to access them other than you. And you can even add files like images, videos, audio, documents, and add more files from your file manager. So it's a very secure space powered by Knox, supposed to be very secure. So that's about it from this video, guys. Those were the 10 cool things that you can do with Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. I hope you have enjoyed the video and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.